Good evening, viewers. We're back, and thank you for your support. Last time was a tremendous response, and this time because it's the end of the season, so we are doing it in two parts. Part one today we'll be showing you, followed with part two, which will come out in a couple of days. We are closing winter, so there are two flash sales that we have planned. So this is a sale of sales. We can categorize it as a sale of sale because they are rock bottom prices and we're just liquidating. We're just moving on to the just before the new season, the summer season. We're liquidating the winter stock. So it's going to be a real good deal for everybody. The prices are going to be crazy. So आपको बहुत अच्छे prices मिल सकते हैं इसमें. आप जरूर देखिएगा because they are wonderful articles and they're going to be rock bottom prices because we're just moving on to the next season. So do like and subscribe the channel as well. And we begin with mostly going to be sweatshirts and some nice bottoms and trousers and cargos as well. So that's what we have to offer here, and it's a sale of sale, so at a very crazy price. So viewers, we begin. It's a sale of sale, reduced price. So Pawan, disclose the price.
499
499
49
499. So t-shirt se bhi saste price mein we are giving you these beautiful sweatshirts and sweaters. This is knit. It can fall in the category of a sweater, a jersey. You can see there. Size is a bigger size. It's about a 46.
44 46.
Yeah. And a lovely orange color there with these lovely
499.
rugby stripes. It's got work here and plain work here. So it's a rugby stripes.
499.
All 499. Flash sale, which is a sale of sale.
46 48.
You can see shipment pack condition.
499.
499. Yeah. So Pawan's telling you the sizes. You can quickly grab these beautiful articles. They're all 100% export articles.
44 46.
Yeah. 499.
499.
Some articles may seem crushed, but because they are like
46.
100% genuine surplus, you can see on the
499.
zip there. It's been mutilated by the factory. Shipment gone to Europe. So lovely full zipper, and that is 499. So all 499 t-shirts se bhi saste rate hain. Please send us screenshots. This looks like a 48 plus,
50.
4850. This is a sticker, in the factory they keep note of where this particular article is. So that will go after a wash. And
499.
it's a sample piece and 499.
49.
Again, 499. Size
499.
बताइए.
44 46. ये भी 499 है. जल्दी से ऑर्डर करें.
Sale of sales.
Sale of sale.
Last two sales before we start summer.
44
So they are going at
46.
really reduced price. बहुत ही
499.
सस्ते रेटों पे जल्दी से
सस्ते
ऑर्डर
रेट.
करिए जी.
Low price. Okay.
Very low price, rock bottom price, and all clean and fresh, neat and clean pieces. None of them are old. They're all this
46
season.
48. 499.
अब ये जो hoodies है, this can be worn till 25 degrees. Thin
44.
fabric है.
44 46.
Some of these most of these hoodies and sweats we've shown before at a costlier price.
499.
So they're going at real good price. All 499.
42. 40 42 size.
Yeah, this is a lovely zipper there, and
ये भी 499 में.
yeah, the label's been chopped off, but they're all international labels. Close to 100 euros each article. So you can convert about 10,000, 9 to 10,000 for these
44
sweatshirts. This is about
46.
5 to 6,000 if we convert
499.
currency conversion, and you get it for 499. Here, this particular lovely hoodie zipper.
42 44.
ये देखिए full zipper, and it's a knitted fabric.
499.
3/4 hoodie, 3/4 zipper hoodie, something very unique.
44
Lovely mustard
46.
color.
499.
Okay.
42 44.
Please send us screenshots.
Full zipper. 499.
And it's a sale of sale. It's a mega sale happening.
44 46.
The
499.
lowest possible price we can offer is this. We're just liquidating. Okay, this is, you can see, it's been chopped off, but you can see there.
44,
So the fabric feels great. It's a regular fit.
499.
Soft and nice fabric. All 499 sale happening.
499 sale.
So quickly grab these, viewers. They are awesome articles. Neat and clean and
40,
fresh.
46,
2024 stock.
499.
We're closing winter, pre-winter articles, beautiful winter and pre-winter winter articles at the lowest possible price, less than t-shirt prices. So this is a lovely hoodie, knitted hoodie.
Size
It's got horizontal stripes. Size does, it's not a very big
30,
size.
38,
40. Yeah.
38, 40.
38, 40. And
499.
now we've got a lovely olive green. You can see this hoodie.
40, 42.
Yeah. All 499. So Pawan, you're happy?
Yes.
This is the way to thank our viewers, people, all the customers. Thank you very much for being associated with
46,
us.
48.
And these are ways which
499.
we can, you know, that pay, some gratitude to all the
42,
customers.
44.
So thank you very much. This is a lovely
499.
sweatshirt and another
42, 40.
sweater.
Sweater pant.
Yeah,
499.
all 499. Yeah,
Sweater. 40, 42. 499.
all 499. So it's all going fast track. Send us screenshots.
44, 46.
We'll have two numbers flashed there
499.
on the screen. हमें please भेजिए with your complete details, name, address, and phone number. Yeah, you see lovely there.
44, 46.
Thin fabric and it's got kangaroo. pockets.
499.
So it's a sale of sale once again.
46,
after this, you will-
48. 499.
Sale of sale is divided
Sale of
in two
sale.
parts. In a few days, you'll get some more winter stuff, and then we'll begin the fresh
44,
summer stock.
46. 499.
499, all 499.
All
Quickly say
499.
grab करिए. Here,
44, 46.
lovely knitted
Knitted.
sweater. Yeah, and with the logo there. Size बता
499.
चुके हैं?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this is a lovely combination. It's a brown and a lovely
44,
gray mix.
46.
melange and brown combo, and it's a 2XL
499.
thin fabric. Okay,
46, 48.
yeah, this is beautiful zipper.
499.
Okay, this acid or stone wash effect.
44, 46.
It's got knit as well as woven fabric together.
499.
So this looks really nice, and it's a class apart because it's got blend of two fabrics. Now this complete zipper, it's a smaller size, Pawan.
40.
40, yeah,
40,
a lovely
41.
smart zipper. You're getting this, which is about 120 euros for this particular knitted beautiful product. You can see the fabric is very nice, awesome, danedar, and you get this particular product. You can see the authentic zip and everything else. A double
499.
zip system, which makes it more easy and comfortable. 499. 3/4 zippers, Pawan.
46, 48. 499.
Only 499.
Only 499.
Less than t-shirt rates. Right?
44, 46.
Yeah.
499.
499. Another round neck.
ये round up. 48, 50. 499.
499. Lovely diagonal
46, 48.
stripes like this
499.
running across the product. You can see 3/4 zipper and
इनमें कोई
shipment pack
माइनर नहीं है जो आपको दिखाया
condition. Yeah, कोई भी minor defect,
कोई नहीं है
used thrift वगैरह हमारे यहाँ नहीं बिकता. We'd like to remind all the viewers, it's the end of the season,
44, 46.
so we're just offloading. I mean, we're just liquidating, not offloading. We're liquidating the stock. Here, you can see.
499.
All right, here. This is water resist
46.
fabric.
48.
499.
499.
Oh, this beautiful product also.
46,
I think it's come by
48.
mistake. This is 699. This is 699. This one is 699.
699.
So it doesn't deserve to be in that 499 category because even 699 is much less than our procurement price. Excellent fabric, a luxury article, and it's a bigger size there. You can see even on their website, and lovely work on the arms and this lovely golden thread embroidery right in the center of the chest. And you have these kangaroo pockets, and the fabric feels like silk. So this is awesome article. My guess is this would be over somewhere between $300 to $350 for this article. It's going for $6.99, right? This is $4.99.
$4.99. 46, 48.
42, 44?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe 42, 44. And this is also $4.99. And the last one in $4.99 category.
$4.99. 46, 48.
Okay, so we've shown you lots in the $4.99 category, a lot of stuff. So most of the, okay, we begin with the other category, $4.99 category this time. Pawan, I think is 70% of all the sweats. So that's a good news for you. $4.99 category में सबसे अच्छा stuff था और सबसे ज़्यादा stuff था और more options. So now this is $6.99. Not much of a difference, just 200 rupees difference, but you're getting fresh pieces, neat and clean. Everything is authentic. Once again, whether it's $4.99 or $6.99, there's hardly any difference. All the pieces are
$6.99.
neat and clean and authentic. $6.99. We're liquidating the stock because summer's going to be opening
44,
very soon.
46.
Yeah, lovely zipper.
Lovely.
And this knitted sweater,
44.
which is a single breast here,
42,
looks really nice for
44.
someone like a height of 5'9" plus. It look really nice. It's a men's sweater, 2-button, looks really classy. The sweaters are in, and most of the viewers would know that sweaters for men are in this season. And lovely 2 pockets there. So almost $130 euros for this article. You're getting it at $6.99.
$6.99.
$6.99 for this beautiful piece. You can quickly order. Pawan, size?
Size 42, 44.
Yeah. Okay. $6.99 category. So this lovely color there.
44.
So it's a
44,
green and a
46.
blue. So the color combination here, you can see the work on the
$6.99.
shoulders and running straight down. And lovely, neat and clean piece which has just been exported recently to Europe. And here you can see it. It's got this lovely metal patch there.
$6.99.
Size bata chuke? Okay. Okay, this is a bigger size, I think, है ना? 50?
Yes,
48? 50?
48.
Yeah, this could be about 50. And a lovely zipper,
48,
international
50.
label. And you can see a cameo, full zipper. It's got these elbow rest and the lovely finish on it, and close to all these articles are anywhere close to between 15 to 20,000 in currency conversion. You're getting it for $6.99.
$6.99.
Yeah. So this lovely sweat, you can see, yeah, fleece
46, 48.
46, 48, and the double zip there.
2 chip.
See, everything authentic. Shipment pack condition mein hai ye.
$6.99.
And does it have anything anywhere? No. It's simple, basic, plain with a hood.
Yeah.
पीछे से भी plain है.
पीछे.
This is a bigger size, Pawan.
Maybe.
So this is
46,
pre-winter. Holi
48.
tak up here in the north. Holi tak it can
46,
be worn.
48 size. $6.99.
So lovely fabric there. Wash is nice on the fabric. So all these are international labels. So the wash, we don't even have to talk about the wash or the fabric because these are all international labels. So fabric is going to be outstanding. ये देखिए.
42,
Texture feels
44.
really nice. Kangaroo pockets, slightly warm, and it's got that label there. And here, fresh piece again. Large is the size, 44
42.
plus.
42, 44.
Yeah, kangaroo pockets and a lovely texture to it.
$6.99.
This is the texture. It's got the slight white and these boxes. That's the work on the fabric. $6.99. जल्दी से screenshots भेजिए. This article all-time low price.
44.
$6.99, far below our procurement. So you can in cash because we're just closing winter.
44,
And you can
46
see the fabric
size.
here again woven and knit fabric, and this is slightly warm article.
$6.99.
ये देखिए, another warm hoodie. size, approximate
44.
size 44, 46. We're
Six.
telling you the approximate size. Send us screenshots. We'll send you the exact measurements. And
699.
yeah. Okay, this lovely copper label, a lovely brown color, and you get it for $6.99. So it's crazy,
699.
lovely article. You can see there, workwear, and ये आपको मिल रहा है. You can see the size there, medium.
Medium.
So cross pocket, sweat, and
40,
with double stitch. Yeah, it's got triple stitch. In fact, triple stitch makes it look nice. The borders are triple stitch, and kangaroo pockets. So you get it for $6.99. It's not a very big size, 42 size,
42.
42, 44 max. Okay, this product goes for a all-time low price, which is $6.99.
699.
And this is almost about 18 to 20,000 for this article. You get it at a all-time
44.
crazy price.
46.
Yeah. Okay. And the last piece in this category tonight
Size
is
40,
this
42.
lovely zipper. You can see there. Lovely zipper with the charcoal grey, and it's not a big size. It's a 42, I think, है ना?
40, 42.
Yeah, 42, and you can
$6.99.
$6.99. So viewers, the last category tonight, we are showing you lowers. We are showing you trousers, cargos, and some beautiful lowers at flat price. Pawan will disclose the price. You know, are you aware?
999.
999, yes. 999. So 999 even on lowers and bottoms. That's the good news for all regular viewers who are watching us and who are always watch us. Special thanks to them as well, and all new customers. So 999 for all the bottoms. 999. You're getting this fantastic cargo. 999. देखिए.
Here.
And yeah, all these bottoms. So we are first going to show you.
32, 34.
Yeah. So okay. 32, 34. The lovely grey color here. 999.
999. 30,
So
32.
again, sale of sale happening, so you're getting reduced price. Heavy slash in prices, you can quickly order. Yeah, this is a pure winter article, very warm from inside, heavy fleece, and a size 34, 36.
Straight fit over. 999.
999, all flat rate for all the bottoms. You can see this lovely summer article, Aero Ready.
30, 32.
And that's the tag, and it's in shipment pack conditions, silky cotton fabric, Aero Ready. You can see there. Size क्या है बताते रहिए.
30, 32.
Yeah.
999.
Open from the bottom. It's got some work in the bottom, so we need to show the viewers because lovely lines going through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like a 5-lane highway running across the legs, at the bottom of the legs. Yeah, lovely work there. Okay, here. बताइए.
30, 32.
Price
Size.
999. Sale happening 999.
34.
You can grab this. ये देखिए, lovely summer article.
34,
So
36.
the best part about the bottoms are that it's 12 महीने पहन सकते हैं, whether it's winter or summer. You can carry these articles. You can see the price there, 3,600, and you're getting it at 999.
999. 30,
I think it's a 30. Yeah, he's right. 30, 31.
30, 31.
Summer article. You can see the beautiful work there on the below the knees. It's got lovely 2 cross pockets, and so we get a lot of viewers who ask for smaller sizes. This is a wonderful article for them, and it's at a rock bottom price. Yeah, so we'll quickly show you. Pawan will quickly show you the size.
30, 32.
Flash sale happening. Quickly order them.
34,
Told
36.
you about the price. Yeah, 34, 36. A lovely product. Thin silky fabric. Authentic. You can see Aero Ready again. The base is open. So quickly order them, viewers. You can see this. This is again a summer article, very thin fabric.
34,
And very, very
36.
extremely classy. Extremely classy. Okay, here. This article different from the others,
34,
See there?
36.
and it's got the pocket has zip,
Dry fit material.
so you can dry fit material, and it's open from the base. It's open, yeah. This is a lovely product, and till 25 degrees, viewers, you can carry this. And if you see online, they're about 20 to 20,000 plus in currency conversion. It's about a 32, 34.
32,
And
34.
this is a dull blue effect, which the brand does. So it is not that the color has worn off. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. This is how they love it. You know, the obviously the customers who are buying this particular brand or any big label, luxury label, they love this dull effect. And you can see the pocket is woven fabric. It's a different fabric. The pocket is woven. The other portion is all knit, and it's a lovely article there. So 999 for this, and ये देखिए
Cargo style में है ये.
cargo style. See the pockets here.
32, 34.
There. So again, a combination of knit and woven. Awesome. So, price वो size बता दिया?
Yes.
Okay. Size बता दीजिए.
32, 34.
Okay, so we've got a 32, 34 and maybe a 34 plus as well in this. Okay, these linen pajamas, shipment pack condition.
34,
See there?
36.
You can see pound sterling 48. So almost 5,000 for this. Linen. Lovely summer article going on sale. Okay, this is a pure winter article, heavy fleece. Shipment pack condition. Sizes batate rahiye.
34, 36.
34, 36. We've got a beautiful black as well. And there's a
ये
lovely
30,
grey.
ये 38
Try and
में
hold
जाएगा.
all four colors together, Pawan. Is it possible? Let's see. I think if we try, anything is possible. Yes? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so these four colors. The red between, I think, 32 to 36. All of them. The red is 32, 34. And the grey is, the rest of them are 34 plus. White kya hai size?
White XL.
XL. So white is a 34. 34. Yeah. So between 32 and 34.
Yeah. Trouser.
So these lovely chinos, big pocket chinos, thin fabric, summer article, again 999, 999. And neat and clean, fresh pieces. Let's talk about the fit. It is a slim straight, yeah.
Size
Slim straight with
34.
lovely pockets, yeah.
32, 34.
Yeah, पीछे
Size.
दिखाइए.
इधर.
So here, this is gabardine cotton, and it's got two drawstrings which make it look outstanding, and it's got this elastic at the back, you know, this elastic band at the back, lovely fabric there, and
32, 34.
yeah. Okay, so we're showing you all smaller sizes, 32, 34 at the moment. You can see this.
Yes.
This is a lovely article.
30, 32.
This is cross pocket. It's got 4 pockets there, corduroy.
Cord right style.
This is ankle fit. Ankle fit.
Perfect.
You can see with the security
Security
seal
seal.
there, magnetic security seal. You get this for crazy price. Ankle fit, which means maybe a 38 length. एक बार दिखाइए, formal trouser.
इसका length है
G. Okay, now this
42.
is what, Pawan? 34. This looks like a 34. It's a lovely
34,
Scottish
32.
check, blue-green combo.
32, 34, 32.
Yeah.
Size I'm not giving it.
Okay, this is relaxed
32.
balloon fit.
Maybe 30, 32.
Showing you all smaller sizes at the moment. Okay, ये size क्या है?
34. 34.
34. So we got 30, 32 and 34 in this.
Yeah.
All at a price drop. Okay, here. This is what, 34?
34.
34, yeah. These
Cargo.
cargo trousers. Lovely khaki. पीछे से दिखाइए.
We support to see picture. Back.
Washed black
34.
and with suede finish on the fabric. Jogger style. See, ankle length formal trousers. Ankle
32,
length.
34.
All summer articles.
Security seal.
All summer articles. Yeah, now we're moving on to the bigger sizes. Last category, 999. You can see the lovely, this is a bigger sizes, 36 plus.
36.
And suede finish, very light fabric, summer fabric, and shipment pack conditions, the security seal. So if you order this, we'll knock off that seal for you. And you can see how nice the pockets are. It's got Velcro and very lightweight joggers. So that's 36. You're getting it at a
36.
crazy price. Quickly order. This is the last few pieces we're showing you tonight.
36 size. Cargo.
Yeah, ये पीछे से दिखाइए. Yeah. Here. See there? Lovely with this, styling is very nice, Velcro and everything else. All summer articles you can quickly order. All season articles. All season, which means winter, summer, pre-winter,
34,
everything. Monsoon
36
वगैरह हर
size.
जगह चलेगा ये.
Yeah.
Yeah, ये देखिए. Lovely khaki pants, trousers,
34,
chinos.
36.
ये देखिए. This is
36.
also lovely beige color. जो ankle fit है, viewers, we are telling you that they are ankle fit, and because it's very important for us to disclose.
36
This is again ankle fit.
Ankle fit.
So before you order, these ankle fit length होते हैं 38 के आसपास.
38.
So this 38 length होगा इसका. A lovely grey. And here, this is a bigger size. I think it's a 38.
38.
38.
36.
Could be 36 or 38.
8.
You can quickly order. They're lovely pieces here. Now you can see this
38.
article here. There. You can see the authentic button there. So you're getting it at a rock bottom price. This lovely luxury product with the lovely work there and the wash care, authentic wash care. That's the fabric. Dull, like I informed all the viewers, the bigger the brand, they love the dull finish on it. So it is not as though it is used or something.
Side 38.
38, you can see the lovely pockets at the back. A very executive class chinos. We're getting it at a crazy price. Quickly order them, viewers.
36 size.
These are all bigger sizes. I think this is a 34. That's a 36, right?
Yes. 36.
36. This must be a 34 one. So this is lovely light olive green. This is a 34. And it's a 5 pocket. It's got this pocket here as well. Is exception. 2 pockets here. 3, 4, 5. 5 pocket. 5 and 1 6 here. 6 pocket cargo.
6 pocket.
Cargo trouser. It's actually chino, and the fabric is very nice. The label you can see is it's an international big label, factory surplus. It's been chopped off, and you're getting it at a crazy price. This is shipment pack condition. ये देखिए कभी-कभी shipment pack condition आता है, कभी-कभी
36.
the
38.
factory rips off the label.
4 pocket.
4 pocket, yeah,
Right.
chinos.
Chino.
This is full length.
Full length. 38 size.
Okay, this will give you for $6.99. This product. This is a nice summer product. We'll give it to you for $6.99.
ये पीछे.
It's a lovely design there. Full length
Full length.
and 36 size. The rest all we've told you the price. ये देखिए लवली ऑलिव ग्रीन फुल लेंथ
36 38 साइज.
पीछे दिखा दिए. That's the last piece tonight.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for watching. Like I said, it's a sale of sale, and all authentic, neat and clean, fresh pieces we've shown you. They are all-time low prices. Sale of sale come meaning, I would like to explain, it's going to be rock bottom prices, which means in future they will not go for a lower price because we're liquidating stock. So banta hai ki you do watch the video and quickly send us your screenshots so that we can book it for you, reserve it for you. Because another thing I'd like to clarify, जिसका पहले रिक्वेस्ट आता है, रिक्वेस्ट के साथ साथ जिसका whoever transfers the money first or puts in the on the scanner on they would be entitled to get the product. Because कभी कभी ऐसे हो जाता है for the same product there are many queries and we're not able to do justice. So जिसकी पेमेंट पहले आएगी उसको हम वो प्रोडक्ट देंगे. So इस वजह से I would request you to quickly put in the payment and send us a screenshot, measurements we've talked about, and we make it a habit to always measure before we ship it to you, so that in case last minute आपको कुछ issues है या cancellation है वो हो सकता है यहीं पे, we can stop it here. So thank you very much. Do like and subscribe the channel. It's a sale of sale, and we'll come up with another sale of sale before we open summer very soon, in perhaps another week or so. So last words from Pawan now.
हेलो गाइस, फिर से हम आप सभी के लिए लेके आ गए हैं सेल. इस बार हमने आपको ट्राउजर भी दिखाया और काफी लो प्राइस में दिखाया.
So good,
तो
good. Full on energy,
ऐसे ही
yes.
प्यार दिखाते रहिए आप लोग और हम ऐसे ही आपको सामान देते रहेंगे.
So good.
Thanks.
Good energy. I love the energy from Pawan this time. Thank you.